Okay, welcome to Santiago. Here's our very tiny, yet tidy and clean, modern little apartments. So come on in. We have a small kitchen that we almost never use, but something that we didn't have in Europe is we have a washing machine that actually dries. Not very well, but it does it, so that's amazing. Tiny little kitchen area. The kids sometimes slept out here, but realistically what happened is they always came in and slept with us in the king-size bed. Our bed was very comfortable. Kind of a fun view, 23rd floor. So we can see quite a bit of Santiago. The city's huge. It's really pretty at night. And then we're already halfway through. Bedroom, nice TV, so we watch movies a lot at night. And then a tiny bathroom. This is footage near our apartment in the Petrano district. Although beautiful at night, this area was a little less spectacular in the day at street level. We were very close to a huge fruit and veggie market, and there was a ton of street food being sold on unregulated carts on the streets. We had a quick bus ride to one of the largest malls in South America, which is also attached to the tallest tower on the continent. We were there a few times because it had a great grocery store, and this was also the gateway to the richer and nicer neighborhoods. Up in this area was a very nice park system on a small mountain chain in the middle of the city. We actually used gondolas to get around, and it had a zoo and pool. Unfortunately, both were closed while we were there, but Clay and I spent a lot of time playing at a playground, and we also made a few friends.